Palakpakan naman tayo dyan! Hiyawan naman tayo dyan! Maraming pong salamat. Many has been part of history, but only a few can bend history itself. Maraming banahon na ang umuusig sa aming kakayahan. Kami raw hong mga homoseksual ay sadyang makasalanan. But tonight we are celebrating the human diversity. Welcome to the home of homosexuality. Hello, hi, and indeed mabuhay is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old stunner who truly also realized from the culinary capital of the Philippines, wherein Sarik Sulaiman is located and Sansero Festival is celebrated. Kaya timuri na kiting kakabukas sa libad ng Ngapong Maria, himpa magdalog na rin at lungaring kayang piyestang Enero o aswantamong Three Kings. Malawas ko po, king mababa man ang kakong pingguan, ngunit mata sindengalan, Barangay Santa Maria, Municipality of Macabebe, proud with the forever Pampanga. I am Fran Stacy Ibay in real life, and tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel board of judges, allow me to carry the image of your one and your only, your sexy and your pretty. Bakit hindi po natin subukan palakpakan at hiyawan ang simple kagandahan ni Miss Janine Gutierrez. Janine Gutierrez, nagsasabi niya hindi bastos, pagkus pawang paalala lamang na ang tunay na reyna, kailan may hindi pinangangalandakan kung ilang korona ang naipatong sa kanyang ulo. Bagkus ang kabusilakan ng kanyang puso, linis ng kanyang konsensya ay siyang magsisilbing ligasiya dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan. Again, judges, the real angel has fallen, and I am your candidate number 3, wearing Ibon Navan Festival of Candaba, Pampanga. And people of San Gabriel, sit back, relax, because it's showtime. Thank you.